Hello, boys and girls. I'm Mr. Victory. Thank you so much for joining me for another Grammar Keepers lesson. Today we're going to focus on another homophone. And the one we're going to talk about today is the word its. So we have two forms of the word its, its and it apostrophe s. And so we're going to ask ourselves, how can we know which one of these is the correct one? So let's look at it apostrophe s. What is our proof for it apostrophe s? Well, it apostrophe s is a contraction. And we know that with a contraction, the apostrophe means that there are one or more letters that are missing. So, it's equals it is. So if we come down here and try our proof, we're going to underline the word it apostrophe s, to show our teacher we're making a grammatical choice. And then above the word, we're going to write in our proof. And now we're going to read it with our proof. It is time to go home now. That makes perfect sense, doesn't it, boys and girls? So let's look at our conversation. Will you read the sentence? It's time to go home now. Perfect. How did you spell its? it apostrophe s. Nope, that's not correct. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It is time to go home now. Oh, you're right. Great job. And so, boys and girls, we see through the conversation that when we replace it with it is, we suddenly know that we have used the correct form of the word its. Boys and girls, I'm going to leave you today with a journal entry by this young lady, Genesis Thomas, a 7th grader. And I'll just read part of this journal entry, and then you can read the rest on your own. And as soon as we run into the word its, we'll talk about it. I just finished reading the book called Smashed. The book is interesting and disturbing a bit, but I enjoyed reading the book. I like the book in a way. It was more detailed about the character's life, so the reader can have a picture in his or her mind of how the character might be. It's kind of sad that Katie's mom never comes that often to be with her kids. Okay, I'm going to stop right there, boys and girls, and we're going to look at this usage of the word its right here, the very first one. And you're going to see that our writer underlines the word and then uses the proof above the word. And so let's read that sentence with the proof. It is kind of sad that Katie's mom never comes. That makes sense, doesn't it? Certainly does. Okay, boys and girls, what I would like for you to do is finish reading this journal entry, and every time you come upon the word its, go ahead and read it with the proof and see if it makes sense. Thank you so much for joining me, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time.